Hello everyone and welcome back to another IronCAD video. Today we'll continue our trailer assembly, and today we'll focus on building the wood supports around. So we'll do the wood board, the 2x4 supports, and the 1x8 boarding as well on the sides. So we'll begin by building the 12-inch wood boarding. So for the boarding, this is very simple modeling in IronCAD. So we'll bring out an extrude block and then we'll just adjust to the correct dimensions. So we'll have this to be 12 inches in width, and then we'll bring it out to be roughly about 94 inches in length. And then we'll shorten it down to be half an inch in thickness. And then we'll rename it for 12-inch boarding, wood boarding. There we go. Yep. 12-inch. 12-inch, there we go, 12-inch boarding. And then what we'll do is, because this is a wood, we'll go to our textures and we'll put plywood as the texture. And then we'll go to our trailer assembly and then we'll drag this inside the catalog. So this will be a 12-inch boarding, and then we'll go and create the short and long 1x8-inch boarding. So same for this one as well. We'll bring out the boarding here. We'll bring out an extrude block. We'll adjust this to be 8 inches in width. And then roughly we'll adjust this to be 94 in length, and then we'll adjust this to be also 1 inch in thickness. And then for the short one as well, we'll do the same thing. So we'll drag them out. This extrude block, adjust this to be 8 inches in width, and then this one will be roughly about 60 in length, and then about 1 inch in thickness as well. Then we'll go to our texture. We'll go to our textures, and then we'll put plywood on both. So we'll put one here, and then we'll drag out one there, and then we'll change the name. So 1x8 boarding, long. And then same thing here. We'll adjust this one to be short. So 1x8 boarding short, just like that. And then what we'll do is we'll bring both of them into the catalog. So we'll drag one into the catalog long, and then we drag the other one short into the catalog. So we'll go and put together our 2x4 support as well. Same thing for the 2x4 support. We'll simply drag out an extrude block once again. This is all very easy modeling within IronCAD for this portion. This will be a total height of 25, and then we want the width to be 4, so 4 inches, and then the thickness to be 2 inches. And then we'll add the plywood texture, and then we'll change this name to 2x4 support, just like so. And now we'll go and put everything all together once we put this inside the catalog. So let's go assemble all of the parts for the trailer now. So now that we have our trailer from last time, we'll go in and we'll add in our wood 12-inch wood board. So this will help us to put the boarding on the bottom. So we'll make sure the tri-ball's on the bottom, and then we want to bring this down to the top of this beam face here. And then we'll drag it inside as well. So we'll just adjust it. Whoops, let's see, grab that. Yes, we'll adjust this to the back. There we go, to that back face. And then we'll bring this to this face here, just like that. And then what we'll do is we'll bring it to this back edge, and then we'll bring this all the way again to this back face of the trailer. There we go, just like that. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll make copies. So these will be 1 inch in from one another. 12 inches from one another. So we'll have this to be we need 4 of them, 12. Click OK, and there we go. Yeah, so this will be our boarding. And then what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and add in our 2x4 supports. So I'll just bring this up, and I'll rotate this about 90 degrees. Let's rotate 90 degrees. And then I'll bring this down to that bottom corner. And then what I'll do is I'll drag this to this corner of the 2x4 bracket that we created in the earlier video. Let's see, get close. Oops, seems like this boarding is a little bit overlaying. So what we'll do is we'll just drag it out and bring it back in. But because we copied it, we can make that adjustment. All right, so it's on that corner, so I'll drag it out a little bit. I'll remove that handle and I'll drag it to this corner here. There we go. And so now what I can do is I can then, because it's already on the bottom, open the tribal and bring it all the way down to that edge so that it's flush with this edge, just like that. All right. So what I can do now is I can open this part of the tribal and I can drag this over. There we go. And then we'll hit copy, hit OK. And then we can zoom in just to be safe. So it seems like it's a little bit over. So what we'll do is we'll drag it over and then we'll make sure that it's flush with this face there. And there we are. So we'll select both of them, open the tribal, and we'll bring this to the center, and then we'll just mirror it on the other side. So mirror, copy, just like that. And so what I'll do now is I'll take this one here, another support, and I'll bring it for the front and the back face. So again, we'll put it to that bottom corner. We'll close the tribal and we'll bring it to this edge here. And so we'll drag it over just to make sure that it's flush with this this face. And it seems like this face in the front is also not flush as well. So we'll open the tribal and we'll drag it back just a little bit. Let's bring it back. Whoops. Let's bring it back just a little bit. And then we'll have it flush with this corner face as well. And then again, we'll bring it down to the very bottom and keep it flush. Now we'll open the tribal once again. We'll put it to the middle here and then we'll mirror it to the other side. So we'll copy it and then we'll close tribal, select that other one, bring it again to the middle of this portion of the trailer. And then we'll mirror it to the back and then we'll copy it as well. Just like so. So this is what the support looks like so far. So we'll bring out a 1x8 boarding, the long, and then we'll bring this over just a little bit. Let's see. Bring it over a little bit here to where it's flush with this back face. Let's bring it here. Okay, it's flush. And we'll bring it to this end, and then we'll bring it back just a tad bit. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to now take the short end and bring it in just like that. All right. And then we'll rotate this 90 degrees and rotate it again 90 degrees as well. We'll bring the tribal to unlock it to this middle portion. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then we'll bring it here. And then we'll come to this right face and we'll bring it back to its flush with this first support. All right, we'll bring it up a little bit. From this point, or this middle point, to the bottom of that bracket, it'll be 5 inches. And then what we'll be able to do, again, because it's in the middle, we'll center it here. Let's see if we can center it. It seems like it could be a little bit off on one side, so let's actually just try to recenter it once again. There we go. All right, so we'll recenter it, and then we'll actually bring this up 11.5 inches from the bottom edge. So 11.5, just like that. All right. We'll copy it to the back. We'll mirror, so copy. And then what we'll do is we'll take this point here from this face and we'll just connect it to this face of the short boarding. We'll bring this down to match. So we'll just put that in the center, or on the bottom rather. And then we'll bring this down to this point here. All right, wonderful. And we'll bring this back up again. 11.5 inches, so we'll copy 11.5 inches, and then we'll select both of them, bring this over to the middle, bring this tribal to the middle, and then we'll mirror on the other side as well, and we will copy. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next IronCAD Assembly video.